Hello, today we will guide you through how to lock an element in Adobe Express. Locking an element is a simple way to keep your design tidy and prevent accidental changes. When something is locked, you can't move it, resize it, or rotate it by mistake. This is especially helpful for backgrounds, logos, or any piece you want to stay exactly where you placed it while you work on other parts of your design. Start by opening Adobe Express. You can use the web version in a browser or the desktop app. Either works the same for this task. Once you're in, make sure you're on the home page or your projects view so you can access your design files. Next, open a project. In our example, we'll use a sample project, but you can choose any existing project you're working on. If you're starting from a template or a recent file, just click it to load the canvas. Give it a second to open fully so all the editing controls appear. Now click on the element you want to lock. This could be text, a shape, a logo, an image, anything on your canvas. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box or handles around it, and a contextual toolbar appears near the top of the screen. If the element is part of a group, make sure you've selected the specific piece you intend to lock so the right options show up. With the element selected, look for the three dots icon at the top of the workspace. This is the More Options menu. Click it to expand additional controls related to the selected element. If you don't immediately see it, confirm the element is still selected, since the menu is context-aware and only appears when something is actively chosen. Alternatively, you can right-click directly on the selected element. This opens a quick context menu with the same set of actions you'd find under the three dots. Use whichever method feels faster for you. Both lead to the same place. From the menu, click on Lock. You might see it labeled with a small padlock icon. As soon as you select it, the element becomes fixed in place. Try dragging it. Nothing should move. This tells you the lock is active. You can continue working around it, layering new elements on top, or editing other items without worrying about nudging this one. That's all there is to it. Open Adobe Express, open your project, select the element, use the three dots or a right click, and choose Lock. With this quick move, your key elements stay protected, and your design process becomes smoother and more precise.